Alright you guys, today we're having some ramen. Hey, haven't had ramen in Vegas for quite a while. And it's a very cold day. I was out running around and I thought I would stop in this place called Shinya Ramen Izakaya. Alright, so I ordered this tonkatsu spicy miso ramen. Yeah? And as you can see, let's see what's inside here. We got our egg, bamboo shoots, this little guy right here, I think it's fish paste, whatever. We got our chao-shu, big pieces, which is nice. And we got our ramen. Now, of course, we have our condiment tray, messy area, sorry. We got our pepper, I think it's a garlic flakes, I think, some salt, and I got some spicy stuff here, and shoyu, which is soy sauce. I like pepper on my ramen. Got our spoon. Alright. Like I said before, noodles are good on a cold day. It's kind of cool and windy in Vegas today. Alright. Here we go. Ramen's good. Not bad. You see, these are the kind of a thinner noodle, right? Some ramen has thick noodle, and some ramen has thin noodle, and some places give you a choice whether you want thin noodles or thick noodle. That goes for ramen, soba, for ramen and soba, and probably other places also. This one I ordered is spicy, but it is not crazy spicy. Kind of a low-powered spice that anyone can eat. Well, not anyone. A low-powered spice which really won't knock you out or kill your nose. So that's a plus. Your chao-shu, which is basically pork. Bamboo shoots. I like. Now the ramen tastes fine. It's cooked properly. Not mushy. The broth is good. I like it. I think this is a fish paste. Yeah. Oh. This was an egg, but no more. This big ass chao-shu. Oh yeah. But ramen is a very interesting product. Many shops spend I don't know how long perfecting their broth, trying different combinations, some pork, spices, and so on, just to get it their own distinct flavor, their own unique flavor, or unique and distinct flavor. My favorite ramen shop in Tokyo was near Shinjuku Station. Open 24 hours. Damn tasty ramen. And cheap. And there's places where you'd see high school kids, old guys, women, the whole, pretty much business guys, the whole range of society in there eating. It was nice, Sit down, grab your ramen, maybe get a beer if you wanted, or some shochu, Japanese sake, Japanese alcohol. Some gyoza, those pot stickers. What I would order, I would get some of this ramen, some pot stickers, and the price was like $8 total. Pot stickers, they make them, cook them for you, and it was really tasty. I missed that place, man. Pretty good. I'm surprised. Well, I'm happy. All right. Final thoughts. Not bad at all. In fact, pretty good. The price was $11 for this. The cashier, waitress, whatever, nice girl, I asked her what does she recommend? Recommend this one. It's a winner. The place is clean. The tables are clean. No little, crummy things hanging out on the table. Thank you for that. The tables, as I glance around, also look clean. So that's also another plus. The ambiance, for me, it's kind of dark inside here, and I don't like that. And I still don't understand why so many Las Vegas restaurants are dark on the inside. I don't understand why. Okay, it's ramen. In this case, it's ramen. It ain't the most romantic food in the world. It is good. It can be romantic on cold nights. But every day, there's being romantic food in a dark and, romantic atmosphere for ramen? I don't know. But would I recommend this place? Yes, I would. Would I come here again? Yes, I would. So there's that. So anyway, guys, like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. And this place is located across from the Hard Rock Hotel, which is changing to the Virgin Hotel. A Virgin Hotel in Vegas, where wonders never cease. Adieu.